This is release question number 28 for the geometry CST release questions. It says that quadrilateral ABCD is a parallelogram, and if adjacent angles, so angles that are right next to each other or come in order, are congruent, which statement must be true? Let's draw a parallelogram first with geometry. Oh man, you gotta draw pictures. It's so helpful. If you're trying to think about this in your head, it's really, really difficult. So draw the picture, draw a parallelogram, ABCD, and adjacent angles are congruent. So we're saying this one is congruent to this one. So if that's true, why don't I draw a picture where that actually looks like it's true? So that would mean I could draw something more to scale like this, that this is congruent to this. That has to be the case. So I think that's a better representation of that situation. Which statement must be true? So remember, it's a parallelogram, so these two sides are parallel, these two sides are parallel. I know that this is congruent to this, and so is this with respect to this. These sides, opposite sides, are congruent in parallelograms. If this and this are the same, I know that in a parallelogram that these angles, that consecutive angles, have to add up to 180 degrees. So I know that the only way for that to happen is if that was 90 degrees and that was 90 degrees. And so if that's 90 and that's 90, and these sides are parallel, that means this one would have to be 90, and so would this one. So I'm seeing right now this is changing to a box and a box because those got to be 90 and 90. I'm seeing a rectangle right there. This side doesn't have to be the same as this side, but these two have to be the same, these two have to be the same, and if adjacent angles are congruent, they would all have to be 90 based on that. Therefore, choice C for number 28 is the correct choice.